Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to send PayPal USD. First, navigate to the official PayPal website or open your mobile app. Log in securely using your credentials, ensuring you are on a trusted device. Once logged in, look for the Send or Send and Request option, usually prominent on your home screen. This feature allows you to initiate new payments effortlessly, getting you started quickly. Next, you will need to enter the recipient's email address or mobile phone number. Be absolutely sure to double-check this information for accuracy to avoid sending funds to the wrong person, as transfers are generally irreversible once sent. Then, input the specific amount of United States dollars you wish to send. The system should automatically display the currency as USD, but always confirm this detail before proceeding. You can also add a short note about the payment. Before finalizing your payment, you will see a summary of the transaction, including any applicable fees. For instance, sending $25 to a friend might incur a small fee if funded by a credit card. Choose your preferred funding source, such as your PayPal balance, a linked bank account, or a debit or credit card. Confirming these details ensures a smooth and expected transfer of funds. Finally, carefully review all the details one last time on the confirmation screen. This crucial step helps prevent any errors after the payment is processed. Hit the Send Money Now button to complete your transaction securely. You will then receive an instant confirmation, and the recipient will also be notified promptly, letting you know your funds are on their way. Always ensure your internet connection is secure during this process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.